Well, ladies and gentlemen, just had this arrive today. This is my 6-foot LED double batten light. Just, nice there. This is going to go, hopefully. I think it will just about fit in between these two here. So, see, I had a bulb go out just there. So I'm going to put another 2 in there, and I'm going to connect all these together so I can lower them to the right height. I've got some nice bungee cords, so I'll be able to get them really close. I can get rid of this Lumi 130 watt light, use that for some cutting somewhere else probably, but I can have it really low because these LEDs don't produce much heat, so I can have it nice and low. They look really well. Oops. Well, scared them down. It's like just a bit of ice going down the roof. So yeah, let's get this open. Let's have a look at it, shall we? Yeah, I'm going to try and save some of this bubble wrap. Hopefully, get it in there. I don't want to damage anything. Well, there we go. So they're the tubes, the LED bulbs. 30 watt, 72 watt replacements. And there's 2 of those, so that should be, what's that, 142 watts. Should be equivalent to, hopefully. That's them out. We'll open them in a second. I'm just going to have a look at the batten. This batten, shall we? That's the thing I'm excited about. Right, what I need to do now is take these screws out. There. And there, the end bits. That's the dummy end. So we'll get on with that. 2 seconds, folks. Yeah, just gonna not everything to do. Get this end screw out. Do somewhere safe. And then it should just unclip this. That's it. Nice one clip there. And now it's in there. Turn around properly. To get this wired up. You just want to blue to blue, brown to brown. This. All the way through. What I need to do then is through here, loosen these off. Need a flat edge for that. So I'm just going to loosen these off, like so. Blue to blue, brown to brown, quite simple. My wire through and just bend it over. It's already been crimped, which is great. That's in like so. Sewing in. Get the brown one in now. That's that in nicely now. All we need to do then is just make sure the wire's not caught anywhere. So all the wires fit in. Like so. That just goes like that. You get this end, this end, that's the dummy end. It's not live at all, and that's that end done. All you need to then is put a plug on. Right, that's the bulbs in, nicely lit up. Really pleased with that. Really pleased with that. So easy to do. That's the live end, and this is, as it explains there, the dummy end. So yeah, that's my LED lights and batten from Lamp Shop Online. They came the next day, so really good delivery times, really good quality stuff. This will be going, excuse the rubbish everywhere. This will be going next time with the two 5-foot LED lights, and I'm going to connect them all together. That's really brilliant when it's all connected. Really looking forward to that. Spot on. So yeah, that's how to wire up your LED batten. So easy. Not complicated at all, just easy as doing a plug. If you've got any questions, don't hesitate to ask, folks. If you like my videos, please subscribe. Remember, happy sewing, happy growing. Thank you for watching, everybody, and please keep safe. Thank you. Bye.